So, welcome to my introduction for my series I'm going to dub Killing the Caveman. I don't know if there's any other series out there, but in this series I'm going to talk about really old technologies / languages, and they're old for a reason. So I'm going to be talking about how they're, how they're still used or how they're no longer used, what they can be replaced by if they have been replaced, and yeah, so I hope you enjoy this series. So the whole point of this Killing the Caveman series is to, kind of learn from the mistakes and the things that went well with old technologies and frameworks. Because oftentimes, these frameworks and technologies and languages, they had mistakes, and sometimes those mistakes repeat over and over again. So I want to make sure that if these mistakes do happen again, that at least we know we can predict them potentially. So for example, like COBOL, there was a bunch of issues that people had with it, and we can maybe learn from those mistakes. Maybe it was too verbose or something like that. But I'll have a video on COBOL later. But anyways, yeah. Oh, I'm also not saying that any of these language technologies or other things I'm going to talk about in this Killing the Caveman series are bad necessarily. I'm just saying that they could be potentially improved upon. Like they might have their own use, and they had their use at the time, but that doesn't mean their use is useful right now, if you see what I'm saying. Like sure, like most languages, programming languages, have their use, and they can do most things, especially modern languages, but maybe not so much for the older ones, and we'll see as we get into that.